Hello sir. Hello ma'am. This is electronic bhaiya. Fire-boltt Phoneix ultra luxury stainless steel smartwatch with Bluetooth calling smartwatch with AI voice assistant, metal body, 120 plus sport mode, heart rate monitoring also. So there is so many new features in this watch with minimum price and with high rate of discounts. So if you want to buy it, you go to my description box and click on the link. And the watch will work on a single charge for about 7 days and about 4 days with Bluetooth calling. The watch needs to be charged for 3 hours to reach 100%. The charger should be a 3.7 volt to 5 volt adapter or any laptop output. You cannot store music in this watch, but there is plus 120 sports mode also. Fire-boltt Phoneix Ultra possesses a metal body that is durable and long lasting. The watch gives a sleek look and gloss finish with shiny and anti-corrosive. So don't waste your time. You can get with minimum price with maximum discount. You go through my link given in description box and click on this link and buy it.